What's going on, y'all? So check it. You seen the thumbnail. You see the chicken. So we got some sauce, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, some curry powder, some black pepper, fresh of course, some rosemary. And we gonna sear this chicken out, smother it down, and get it into the oven, y'all. In a beautiful gravy. It's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let me stop talking. So yeah, y'all, you know we got a rain on it. Go ahead and with a little salt. Some onion powder. Some smoked paprika. Some curry powder. And some rosemary out. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of this olive oil with my spritzy spritz. And once we get a little olive oil on there, we're gonna work this seasoning in. We're gonna rub it in real good, y'all. Real good. Oh, and I ain't forget about the pepper. We gonna need that a little later, y'all. A little later. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, once we rub all that good seasoning onto that chicken, we gonna get about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a hot pan. And then we gonna start searing off our chicken, y'all. And that's all we doing to this chicken. We're not trying to cook it all the way. We just finna sear it off. Oh yeah, it's gonna be tasty, y'all. It really is. I would label this a must try. A must try, y'all. Yeah, you know we gotta give it that shaky shake so that skin will release, so we can go and flip it. Oh yeah, look at that nice stir, y'all. Look at that nice stir. And that's all we need, just a stir, y'all. So once we get the chicken seared on both sides, we're gonna get them out that pan. Then we gonna get our pan off that hot iron. And then we gonna go ahead and get our vegetables prepped. Now we have 1 whole onion that we just simply gonna chop, and 3 cloves of garlic that we just gonna dice up. Now to the same pan that we seared our chicken in, we're gonna add our onion
with all that fond and everything at the bottom of the pan. Please do not clean that pan, y'all. Don't clean that pan. Then we're gonna give that a mix. Now, of course, now, y'all, you know I had the rain on it. I had to hit them with a little salt and pepper. Then we gonna cut our eye all the way down to medium. Then we gonna go ahead and get our garlic in. We gonna give that a mix. Oh yeah, this onion and garlic is smelling so good up in here. I know y'all already know that though. I know y'all know. Now as you can see, as I'm doing this, I'm scraping that good fond off the bottom of that pan. Now we're gonna come in with some chicken stock, y'all. Some chicken stock. So we're gonna add in a half a cup of chicken stock. Then we're gonna give that a little mix. Get those flavors combining with each other. And we're gonna let this simmer for about 1 minute. Then we're gonna add in a half a cup of tomato sauce. And then a half a cup of cream, y'all. Then we're gonna take our whisk and we're gonna whisk to combine all these ingredients. Oh yeah, y'all, this smells so good. It's making me hungry. It really is. So while that's doing this thing, we're gonna preheat our oven at 350. And then we're gonna add in our chicken to that hot sauce. Don't that sauce look good, y'all? Get that chicken in. And when we putting that chicken in, we want to make sure that sauce gets all over that chicken, so we can taste that sauce in every bite when it's done. Now once we get all our chicken in and we dip the little sauce over everything, over all that chicken, we gonna rain on this sauce with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, y'all. Now you can use any kind of cheese you like. I just used a little Parmesan just for flavor. Gonna give it a little extra flavor kick. But hey, you can put any kind of cheese in here for real. And then we gonna go ahead and get it into the oven. And we gonna get it to an internal temperature of 160. And we gonna get it on out that oven, y'all. Oh yeah. Look at that sauce, y'all. See how everything came together? Don't it look so tasty? Don't it look tasty? So to mine, I had mine with some rice. And I had me a leg and a thigh, of course. With all that great gravy all over my rice. And I had some string beans on the side, y'all. Oh my goodness. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.